Hi everyone. So it's the last 10 days left for NEET PG 2026, and I've been getting a lot of messages from my juniors about overthinking and self doubting. So I want to tell to all the aspirants that the first and foremost thing that they need to do now is stop asking yourself, have I done enough? And start believing that you have. So focus on how to use these 10 days to recollect, revise, and consolidate whatever you have read. And do not carry the baggage of those bad days and the wasted days. उसके बारे में सोचने से अब कुछ नहीं होगा. It was a very long preparation journey, guys, and all the days could not have been uniform. कुछ दिन बहुत अच्छे थे, कुछ दिन उतने अच्छे नहीं थे. And that's okay. So now take one day at a time. सुबह उठो, study, have good food, खुश रहो और सो जाओ. बस इतना ही करना है. And coming on to the last GT score thing which everybody is stuck on कि यही score final exam में reflect होगा. That's not the case, guys. Just focus on the mistakes that you have performed in the last GT and try not to repeat them in the main exam. इतना ही करना है इससे and दिल पे नहीं लेना है इसको, ठीक है? And stop comparing yourself with all the others. It's your race and it's your pace. So you know your strengths and weaknesses the best. So become the best version and the most honest version of yourself and keep working and show up with what all you have in these 10 days right now. Okay, and it's okay to be scared. सबकी फटती है, कोई नीट पीजी बिना डरे नहीं गया है, but it's very important to have that belief that you'll do good in exam and good things will come your way. That's about it. And the last thing which I want you guys to leave you with is the fear of the result, that what if I don't make it? कुछ नहीं होगा उससे. The result is not in your control, but the journey is. So just start repeating and manifesting that I will give myself every chance to make it happen instead of what if I don't make it. So yeah, all the very best and rooting for all of you, and see you soon on the other side.